So I was upstairs working and trabajando, and I thought, I'm hungry, tengo hambre, otra vez. But then I thought, no, it's too late, es tarde. But then I thought, no, it's not. So I've got some chicken and some refried black beans and some avocados and some tostadas. And we're gonna make some magic happen. Shout out HEB. And then I think we'll put some beans on the tostada. Oh, I think that's too much beans. No such thing. Next, I'll add some chicken. And cheese. And we need some avocado, of course. Ooh, so pretty. This is the way I like to do it. And you can scoop it out. Sometimes I dice it, but I think today we will. And I think we all know that we all need salsa or pico de gallo. I like to use salsa right now because pico de gallo. There you go. That's the finished product, and I already know it's going to be good because I've been trying all the ingredients separately. But now there's only one thing left to do. Can you focus on that?